this is a really nice drawing set. It really has just about everything you need to get started if you want to get into art, or if you already do art and you just want something compact and all together. All right, so here is a look at the drawing kit. Everything comes in this nice case. It does come with a small little sketch pad, and the paper does seem to be slightly thicker than your normal bond paper. It looks like it's 60-pound paper. And in the kit, you've got all your hardnesses of pencil. You got 8B to 5H, graphite soft, charcoal pencils. You got your smudgers, a ruler in centimeters. Not really sure what this is. Seems to be a holder of something. Mechanical pencil that looks like a normal pencil. Got a ruler on the mechanical pencil as well, which is kind of nice. The mechanical pencil is 0.7. You got the 2B refillable lead. And you can see how soft this eraser is. It kind of comes apart. So a very soft, nice eraser here. And here's your graphite sticks. So you got soft, medium, and hard. And your charcoal sticks also soft, medium, and hard. And here's some sandpapers. You got the kneadable eraser in its case. And you've got these pencil sharpeners as well. This was sent to me so I could make this video and do this review. Now, when I was in college, I did industrial design for a while, so I was buying art supplies left and right. Art supplies can be really expensive. It's super nice though when you get things in a kit like this, because you get it for a lot cheaper because you're not buying things individually. And this really has a lot. This does well for different mediums of art. You've got all your different kinds of pencils. You got mechanical pencil if you're doing like technical drawings. You got your charcoals and graphites if you want to try that style. You got your smudgers, a couple different kinds of erasers. So this is just a really great kit for anyone getting started, or to make a gift, or anyone who just needs some extra pencils. I'm impressed with how inexpensive this is for all that you get. Really nice art kit.